Hello friends, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use uh, pyCharm to develop the Django framework applications. Two editions of pyCharm. First is professional version and second one is the community version. So in the community version you will get basically all the stuffs, but some of the features will restricted, and one of those is that you cannot create Django project as a default template through the pyCharm. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually configure pyCharm for your existing Django project. I have to go to command prompt. So right now I'm in the home directory. So uh, I I assume that you guys have already installed the Python and the pip installer. Let's create a new folder. Okay, dir here, and the new folder is test1. Let's move it to test1. I'm going to create a virtual environment. Also, you guys must be already familiar with the virtual environment. Uh, it's help us to separate our Python packages in the local directory from the system packages. Let's create a virtual environment first. For that, uh, virtual env. For this command to get executed in your command prompt, you have to set the path variable before entering this command. So I will put a link in the description so you guys can see how you can set up the path environment for the virtual environment and other Python packages. This the name of the virtual environment. Let's say put it my name Sumir, and taking some time. It's copying the Python from the system folder to the local folder to create the localization. It should not take that much amount of time. I guess my system is slow. Once everything got set up, we have to activate the virtual environment. And after activating the virtual environment, we have to install the packages through the pip. And we have this Sumir folder created by virtual environment. We have to get into it, cd Sumir. And so in Windows, we have this script folder. So you have to execute a script. Simply put the name of the file which is inside the script / and activate. And as I will execute this command, the virtual environment will get activated. And in Linux, you have to type source and name of the script, which must be activate.sh. So for now, let's stick to the script and activate. Before the path, there is a name inside the bracket, so which is the actual name of the virtual environment. So I have currently activated the virtual environment. You can deactivate the virtual environment at any time by activate. Yep. So again, I have to go to execute the activity. Yeah. So basically, I'm in the virtual environment, and now everything I will execute from the Python's perspective. I will get whatever is inside this directory, not from the system packages. So to see what are the packages currently in the local in this virtual environment, pip freeze. To install anything through the pip, you already know, install Django, and you can if you want to install some specific version of Django, then you can put double equals to and the name of the version. Let's say I want to get 11.11.2, so that's it. And anything in latest in 1.11, anything greater from 1.11 point something, I can put X, or I can leave it all and Django will take care of it and get me the latest version of Django. Taking some time. Yeah, the Django packages has been installed successfully, and now let's see what packages we have got with Django. So to see simple tip is we have Django and 11.3 Django admin start project and my site. It will create a new project on which we can work. Yeah, the project has been created, and let's move into the project folder. Cd my site. At this point of time, we can actually run the server and see in the Google Chrome how our site is looking like. So manage. I'm sorry. So our server is running local server. Dot 0 dot 1 dot 8000. Yeah, it worked. So if we want to edit our project files, then we have this nice little subline text in which we can edit our project files, and we can do so by going into the project directory, and that is uh, test1, and inside test1 submit this directory represents the virtual environment, and inside this we have this my site in which our Django project is stored. We can directly go into this. We can directly open this my site folder and select and see all the files that we have in this folder. Subline text is showing in the left side bar. I'm going to show you how you can set up this as a project in pyCharm Community Edition. So let's open the pyCharm Community Edition. You can open the existing folder of your Django project. Test1, Smear, and my site. Just open it as it is. PyCharm is going to take some time to open and configure. It's scanning all the Python packages inside my computer, and we are done. Now what we have to do from here, go to files, settings, go to our project directory, project interpreter, and see in this list we have to add our own virtual environment first. Add local, and in the same folder smear test 1, and this is the Sumir is the name of our uh, virtual environment folder. We can go into this folder, go inside the script, and we have to select that python.exe file, and that's it. PyCharm is going to take care of all of the thing, and it's going to recognize all the packages that we have installed inside our virtual environment. That was Django, pip, setup tools, wheels, all these Python packages we have already installed in our virtual environment. See apply and click OK. It has set it up, and it's still running two processes. Meanwhile, uh, we can configure our whenever we want to run our server. We have to execute that script uh, that was manage.py run server, and we don't have to do every time to command line. We can simply hit this run button here, get executed. It's taking some time to scan all these local virtual environment packages, and once it is ready with all this stuff, it is going to make them visible for us. Indexing is the last procedure. Once it is done, we are good to go. Yep. And now we have this run, but once we click on the run, we haven't tell him that what we want to run. So it will ask us, what do you want to run? So we have to edit configuration, add our own python dot py, and we have to pass the parameter run server. Working directory is our Django project folder, root of the Django project folder, and we are good to go. Close. Now we can run this unnamed, and it's going to start the Django server. We have to wait for until it tells us that you are ready to go. Yeah, we can click on this URL, run, and it worked. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.